Hello everyone, this is Tyson, one of your Miami trainers, bringing you a quick tip how to search using pets allowed within the MLS system. For this example, we will use condo, as this is normally impacted by condos or governing bodies such as an association. For a condo, in order to get started, you're going to go into the top left corner under search. From there, you'll scroll down and click on RE1, RE2 single family condo. You select the applicable status, such as active, meaning you're looking for available properties. Then we're going to go on down here under RES property type, and we're going to select condo, co-op, villa, townhouse. This is going to allow us to go under type of property and then select condo as a type of property. From there, you can include some additional details. We're going to jump over to city and then look within Fort Lauderdale as an example. And then from here, you scroll down to the very bottom where you see additional fields, and then you click add. If you already have fields added, you'll just need to click add remove, and then they'll take you straight to this screen, which is the frequently used fields. From here, we simply go to the search bar and then we type in fully pets allowed, or you can type in pets. And then from there, you'll find the field right here under available fields. You're going to need to give it a click, which is going to turn it blue, and then you'll be able to click add as a selected field. Once you see it on the right, you're going to be able to use it within your search. From here, we're going to click back, and then you'll see the field added right down here under pets allowed. For example, if you want to make sure that pets are allowed, you'll select yes. Clicking results will show us all of the condo units in Fort Lauderdale that do allow pets. So now we're going to go ahead and click on results. And if you want to see some additional information regarding pets, you can add a field in your column by the name of pets description. So you can go up here, for example, next to ML number in the open space. It'll turn into a crosshair, and then you can give it a click and then go down here under insert column. The field that we're going to add, it can be a little tricky to find it. It is pets description, but if you type in PETS pets, you won't find it. So simply just type in PET, and then you'll see it at the very top, pets description. Give it a click, it'll turn it blue, and then go down to apply, and that's going to add it as a search term to your grid. By default, it may not point up automatically. I believe it should just show everything kind of randomly based on your search criteria. But if you go up here where you see pets description, you click it twice, it's going to line up everything just like this, where you'll have everything grouped based on the entry. For example, we're looking at all of the ones that say restrictions or possible restrictions. But you can go up here, change your page view to 100, so you'll have more results, and then you can scroll down and see some additional listings that may or may not have a restriction. For example, these listings here are indicating none, meaning no restrictions. Moving down, they're indicating that dogs are okay. Further down, you have listing examples here where they're saying a maximum of 20 pounds. So just wanted to make sure I mentioned that you can search based on pets allowed, and then in your grid, you can include pet description so that you can gain just a little bit more information. You can find more tips like this on our YouTube channel by going to youtube.com/miamitrainers, and of course within our help center as well. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for being a member. Have a great day.